Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok repost button not showing. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and usually if you want to get the repost button, we can click on this arrow, and then the repost button will appear right here. But if the repost button doesn't appear on your TikTok, I would like to show you some methods you can try to fix this problem. The first method you can try is deleting the cache in your TikTok application. You can go to your profile and open up the TikTok setting. You can click on these three lines and then you're going to go to the settings and privacy. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down until you find the free up space, and you can click on clear cache right here. Okay, and then the second method you can try is clearing the cache of TikTok application, but you can clear it from your setting on your mobile phone. And for your information, this is my Android phone, so this tab is especially for the Android user. I'm going to open up my setting, and then we can go to the app setting. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the TikTok application since we want to clear the cache of the TikTok. Go to the TikTok, right guys, or we can simply search for the application right here. Okay, open up the TikTok and go to the storage, and we can click on clear cache, or we can also clear the TikTok data. If we clear the TikTok data, we need to log in again to the TikTok, and I'm just going to delete the data. Okay, and then if this trick still doesn't work on your TikTok, I recommend you to go to your Play Store or Apple Store, and then you can update your TikTok application. Just search for the TikTok and then you can click on update to check if the TikTok needs to be updated. Now my TikTok has been updated. This is the latest version of TikTok. Oops, I need to update it guys. Okay, we just need to update, and that's all the way to fix the TikTok repost button not showing. I hope the trick I have taught you can work on your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching guys, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.